Hey guys, David here and welcome to Digital Outlook. Guys, some amazing stuff has happened in this space today. The SEC has come out with some new rules and guidelines for digital asset exchange traded funds. Guys, this is a big deal. Now, you want to know why it's such a big deal? Because, guys, why would they be coming out with all of this guidance if they had no intention of approving a lot of these crypto ETFs that are coming on the floor? Guys, I think that's what's exactly behind this move. Now, the big deal is on disclosure. Now, with disclosure, in prospectuses that, people throw out there, they have to comply with various pieces of legislation. I'm going to link the article right in here so you can get right into the nitty gritty of it. But the point that I really want to draw out, guys, is this. When you see these kind of guidelines, these rules that the SEC is putting out, says, hey, if you want to get your ETF approved, digital asset ETF approved, then you got to follow this pathway. Now, does that ever in stark contrast to the prior administration and the SEC out of Gensler, isn't it? Because people would go in there to get guidance, and what would happen? They would get sued. They didn't get guidance, they got sued. Guys, now we're getting guidance, and it tells me that they are about ready to start approving these exchange traded funds, and especially these ones out there for XRP. And guys, I think it's going to literally cause the whole space to absolutely blow up. And the reason I believe that is because you got, studies out there. JP Morgan Chase did one. And I think it was, $9 billion of appetite in institutional players, pension funds, hedge funds, and that want to get their, hands on these digital assets but can't touch it because of fiduciary responsibility. And so that pent up demand for exchange traded funds, which just in another, guys, it's exchange traded product, just like an exchange traded note or any of that kind of stuff. An exchange traded fund does not necessarily make the underlying asset that it holds a security, even though it itself is a security. The underlying asset does not. And XRP, is it a security in and of itself? No, it is not. And that is a massive deal in this space, because no other asset in the entirety of the United States, including Bitcoin, genuinely holds, that title of being designated not to be a security. And that was granted by Judge Annalisa Torres there in federal court, and that was in 2023. Guys, that isn't changing. It is never changing. It is cemented for all time. Do you know how